Suddenly, not only had I found out about bonobos, but I'd also discovered what were meant to be the most incredible bonobos on the entire planet. And it's when you see these apes that you realize you're now in a different league.
Keep doing it. You can get on. Make the fire come out. There. Now, combination.
Sue Savage Rumbaugh is a scientist, but not one like I'd met so far. Sue treats her bonobos as if they really are people. And while I was there, Pan Benicia was hungry. So Sue did the sensible thing.
I want you to take the paper out of your noodles that are getting hot. Take it out real quick so you don't burn yourself. Take it out. Pull it out. Uh-huh. Is the paper too hot? It is? Is it scary? It's what? It's scary. Well, maybe you could use a knife. Do you see a knife? Yeah, get you a knife. Get the paper out with your knife. Get the paper out with it. We don't want to cook the paper in the noodles. We need to get it out. There you go. Oh, it's going to get on fire. Oh, good.
I was amazed. A chimp had essentially just made itself a pot noodle. As a scientist, Sue's methods are somewhat unorthodox.
So that's Matada. Hello?
She gets very close to her bonobos.
It's incredible. They really do seem to be communicating quite effectively with Sue.
You want carrots or clay? Which one of these would you like? Can you see her pointing to that one? Okay, let's get some of these, okay?